Taurus, hi, welcome to your August 2021 reading. I'll start off with one card from the universe and then I'll move on to the tarot reading. This is an overarching message for you for the month of August 2021. So let's see what the universe has in store for you. The message from universe. A leg up. A leg up is number 34 and it means giving help to someone or someone helping you to achieve something. Alright, so let's get into the tarot. Tarot reading will have one card will be your overall message, overall energy. Two cards fell out. The Six of Swords and the Hanged Man. Okay, so there is a delay in taking a decision regarding moving somewhere. Okay, the Hanged Man is basically not a bad card, but along with the Six of Swords, it shows that you are contemplating movement to a better place, and this is probably you're viewing it from a different place of view, a different perspective. Now let's get your recent past energies. Recent past energies for Taurus. Recent past energies. The Magician. So in the recent past you have the Magician energy, and now in the current, let's check what is your energy for the current. Two of Swords. This is your current energy, Two of Swords, and one more card wanted to come out, the Seven of Wands. The Two of Swords and the Seven of Wands. Alright, now what's coming towards you in August is the King of Cups. The King of Cups. Okay, so that is your reading, tarot reading. I think you are moving. The bottom of the deck is the Hermit. So definitely you're taking a step back to think what could be best for you, Gemini. Taurus. I'm sorry for that, Taurus. And I think you're taking some time to reflect on what would be best course of action for you. Probably you need need some amount of help from people around you, and you have been advised to take that, I think. In the past, you have the Magician energy, which means that you were manifesting something better for you. Okay, something better that could be, that could bring out the best in you. Okay, and in the current, you have the Two of Swords and the Seven of Wands. So you have your heart guarded. You are looking back to see whether your past is not catching up with you, and you're defending your action even if you appear to be confused or blindfolded. Okay, you are very happy. You want to be happy, and you're manifesting that happiness, and I think it's coming towards you in the form of the King of Cups, which could be a water sign, or this could be you yourself choosing to love yourself. Okay, but let's get clarifiers. Let's see why the Magician is here in your recent past. The Magician. Why is the Magician over here? Why is the Magician over here? The World. So there is a cycle ending here, and you brought about this change through your innate manifesting ability. Okay, you took action on what was available to you, and you were trying to manifest a new beginning for you, which is a cycle ending and a world of change. You could also have been manifesting some sort of a travel, business travel or something. The Knight of Swords. See, this is also indicative of focus on a goal. Okay, and this could also be an air sign coming towards you, or you moving towards something with a lot of dedication and passion, with a never say die attitude. Now let's see why the Two of Swords is here. Maybe you're choosing between two courses of action, and you're defending whatever you're doing. whatever you stand for, justice. So you believe you need some sort of a karmic decision or justice on your part. You believe that you have been treated unjustly, or that you need to have that balance in your life, which is why you're being very guarded over here. Let's see why the Seven of Wands is here. Seven of Wands, why is Taurus having the Seven of Wands? Why is the Seven of Wands here? Seven of Wands is basically standing for what you believe in. The Queen of Cups and the Tower. Okay, so you're choosing yourself, and you are letting this Tower kind of take place. The Tower is already found its way towards you, and you want to rebuild some sort of a structure that was not built properly. It could be a Scorpio that you're dealing with, but I think this is you choosing yourself, and you're facing the Tower over what was not befitting you, okay? That over what was not really suiting your course of action, your path, yourself. Let's see why the King of Cups is here. So Queen and King of Cups indicate some sort of soulmate relationship as well. And you could be meeting somebody who is your equal, or who could be intensely attracted to you. Explained by Death card of I think this is a Scorpio that is coming your way, and you're undergoing a lot of transformation in order to be your best version. Death and King of Cups. The Queen of Cups is a Scorpio. Death is a Scorpion card, so you could be dealing with a Scorpio, but it is about transformation as well, and this is indicative of you going to eliminate something that was not suiting you, okay? Judgment. So a decision is going to be made on something ending. Something is ending with the Tower and the Death. It could even be somebody getting away physically, also could be, but Death card along with the Judgment indicates something old, an old pattern is dying, and it's being resurrected. Something is being resurrected, okay? Something is being reborn as something that could be beneficial for you. A King of Cups indicates mature decisions and intuition, and also somebody who is totally totally dedicated to you, committed to you, somebody who wants to commit to you. And this could come in after an intense, stressful period. The Ace of Swords. So somebody is going to speak their truth, and they're going to get this everything clarified with you. But let's see why the Six of Swords. See, the Ace of Wands, a new beginning again. Why? Let's see why the Six of Swords is here. Who's moving towards their happiness? Somebody is intensely in thought over moving, the Lovers. So there is a spiritual connection towards which you're moving, and or a connection that is attracting you, and you're moving away from wherever you are towards this connection. After a period of lack, Five of Pentacles. So something was making you feel not enough, in spite of the fact that you have it in your power to basically not feel abandoned or left out in the cold. It's your attitude basically, and nobody or no one can make you feel unwanted. So you're waiting for the perfect opportunity or the perfect relationship, possibly, Taurus, but often this is faced with delays just because you have not really found out the truth about yourself. And this could be something that is delaying your path towards that fulfilling relationship or job, because it is all about self-discovery. And the King of Cups basically could be an ideal partner that you have in mind, but for that you have to die, the old patterns have to die. It's not physical death, but a resurrection of yourself, which will help you bring in what you want the most. And it is coming towards you because you already manifested something, and you're not looking at people who are saying no. Knight of Pentacles. So this is a slow moving energy, which is indicated by the Hanged Man, but definitely it is seeing life from a different perspective. The Six of Cups. So it could be somebody returning from the past, which means that you're having nostalgia about how things were in the past. It could be somebody from the past. It could be healing over past disappointments, healing your inner child, having memories of what was, and moving towards happier days that were in the past. Okay, so either somebody is moving towards you from the past after a healed relationship, or you are moving towards the past, or it could also indicate you imitating past patterns, healing them, and or you digging up past patterns coming out and healing themselves for you to find out the best version of yourself. Why is the leg up? The leg up is the message from the universe, which means that it is people around you that's helping you, or you helping people. The Magician. So you're manifesting with help from the higher up, with the ascended masters or the angels around you are helping you manifest this new change. You're already going through this change, Taurus. So King of Cups and the Seven of Wands. So you're defending your right to love yourself first, or you're defending your somebody else who will stand up with you and fight with you is coming. Or I feel it is basically you having realized the need to stand up for yourself and be the best version. Either way, it will attract a lot of love into your life, because self-love is always accompanied by people who are attracted to us in droves. So I think that's all. That's what I have for you, Taurus. I think somebody is coming towards you with a lot of love, or you are turning back to the past to resurrect it, or you're loving yourself so much so that everybody finds you totally irresistible. I believe that's all I have for you, and if you have any questions, please do ask. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you around by the mid of August. Thanks for being with me. Bye-bye.